Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always, and thanks a lot for your great love for me. Thank you so much. And today I have selected some smart, trendy, beautiful, summer friendly collections only for you. So let me display. The saree code is very bright looks. The saree code is 7JC11900 is saree price. Very beautiful color, mustard yellow with maroon contrast border and pallu, soft silk cotton base, very bright one, beautiful looks. This one is full base part mustard yellow, and this one is border fully golden zari weaving contrast color with fine weaving design border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with fine golden zari weaving stripes pattern design, fully weaving design, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. And this one is running blouse piece, pallu shaded, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, very soft comfortable, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving, Banaras weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price be 2400 for your bright, beautiful looks. Premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material. This one also very trendy one, smart looks, pure cotton. 7JC2 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, very nice one, very soft comfortable trendy smart looks, pom pom weaving design. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pure cotton, pure handloom soft cotton fabric. And this one is border portion is multicolor, fully stitching pom pom design work, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is fully border design, beautiful pom pom design, very soft comfortable one. And this one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes pattern, running blouse piece, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, highlighting contrast color stripes with beautiful fine stitching weaving butta design, very soft comfortable one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful pom pom design border. I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, stripes printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2250 for your smart, elegant, beautiful office looks. This one also very nice one, bright with trendy smart looks. 7JC3 is saree code, 1850 is saree price, very beautiful and bright one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material with border ikat pattern. This one is base part, middle portion is pure white base, and this one is border portions navy blue shade ikat pattern, and full border portions beautiful temple weaving design border, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable ikat pattern, white with navy blue contrast border. This one is full base part, red piping, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast red shade. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast red shade, highlighting stripes pattern, golden shaded stripes pattern with beautiful fully weaving butta design, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk ikat border, temple weaving border design, contrast pallu, very nice one, beautiful bright looks, trendy smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving and with golden butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2250 for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very nice one, cotton fabric. 7JC4 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, very beautiful one, pure white base, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful multicolor stitching stripes border design, pom pom weaving border design. This one is full base part, pure white base, pure handloom cotton fabric, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric. And this one is border design, you know, stitching stripes with pom-pom weaving. Very smart, elegant, looks very soft, lightweight, comfortable also. This one is fine weaving, stitching weaving, border multicolor. And this one is running blouse piece, fully stitching stripes pattern running blouse piece. And this one is, you know, pallu part, highlighting stripes, contrast color highlighting stripes with beautiful fine weaving buta work, stitching stripes, stitching weaving buta work. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very elegant, summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your smart, elegant, beautiful, trendy looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. We do international shipping also, so please contact through WhatsApp. You know, very beautiful and beautiful color, also very trendy, elegant looks. 7JC5 is saree code 2600 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with badhni print, silver zari border. Very nice one, beautiful, trendy looks. This one is full base part, light purple base, silver zari border. And this one is full base part, beautiful badhni print, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is full base part, beautiful badhni printed. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also silver zari stripes with beautiful badhni printed buta. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks, best for your office wear, very trendy one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your elegant looks. This one also, you know, best for your party wear. 7JC6 is saree code 2400 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, greenish golden shade with the golden signs and beautiful fully weaving golden border. This one is weaving golden zari border. This one is full base part, very nice one, greenish golden shade. And this one is pallu part, golden zari stripes, have sign also, best for your party looks, very elegant one. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is fine golden zari weaving border, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your smart, elegant, bright party looks. This one also, you know, pure cotton with beautiful weaving design. 7JC7 is saree code 2700 is saree price. Very nice one, fully stitching stripes design, contrast border, pure handloom cotton. This one is full base part, ikat pattern border. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful stitching, fine stitching stripes design. This one is border design, contrast color, ikat border and full base part, beautiful stitching design, stitching stripes, very nice one, smart, trendy looks. This one is full base part, beautiful one, contrast border, contrast ikat border, full base stitching work. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu, very beautiful one, highlighting stripes with fully beautiful dobby weaving design pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, beautiful, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3300 for your elegant looks. This one is soft silk, 7J C8 is sari code, 2300 is sari price, very nice one, weaving border, soft silk, and full base part is beautiful embroidery design, fully designer work, very nice one. This one is full base part, bright color. This one is border, fully weaving temple weaving design border. This one is full base part, beautiful embroidery with beads stitching work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, and this one is pallu, stripes pattern, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, elegant, beautiful looks. This one also, very bright one, best for your party looks. 7JC9 is sari code, 2600 is sari price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue layen with shiny wide border, yellow shaded, golden yellow shaded shiny border. This one is full base part, beautiful one, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue layen, and this one is pallu, contrast color, yellow mustard yellow shaded, contrast color, shiny pallu, and this one is border design, wide border with shiny white border, very nice one, beautiful, elegant looks, best for your party wear, beautiful one. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is soft base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is wide border, shiny yellow mustard yellow shaded border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work, heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your elegant, beautiful, bright, trendy party looks. This one also, very nice one, 7JC10 is a sari code, 2400 is a sari price, soft silk with beautiful weaving work, very nice one, beautiful color also. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, this one is a border design, fine golden zari weaving, fully fine weaving design border. This one is full base part, beautiful buta work. This one is pallu end, stripes pattern with buta design, golden zari stripes with beautiful buta design pallu, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful buta work, fine golden zari weaving buta work. This one is contrast color with beautiful fine weaving design border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your smart, elegant, beautiful looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, bright orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom, layen by cotton weaving, and full body, beautiful weaving design. This one is full base part, full base is golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving buta, very nice one, and golden zari weaving work, golden zari border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also, pallu end is golden zari stripes, and full base part is beautiful weaving design, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. 3300 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.